When building or upgrading a gaming rig or workstation, ensuring proper airflow within your PC case is vital. Adequate cooling not only enhances performance but also prolongs the lifespan of your components. A well-ventilated case can make all the difference, especially during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best airflow PC cases available on the market today. Number 1. NZXT H510. The NZXT H510 is a mid-tower case renowned for its stylish design and user-friendly features. Its minimalist aesthetic makes it an appealing choice for both gamers and professionals. The case features a tempered glass side panel that not only showcases your components but also allows for optimal airflow. One of the standout attributes of the H510 is its efficient cable management system, which helps maintain a clean and organized interior. This case supports various cooling configurations, including air and liquid cooling, making it versatile for different setups. The H510's design doesn't just focus on looks, it is engineered for performance. With its solid build quality and thoughtful layout, this case can accommodate larger graphics cards and a range of cooling options. The inclusion of multiple fan mounting points means you can customize your cooling solution to suit your needs. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming PC or a quiet workstation, the NZXT H510 is an excellent choice. Key features: tempered glass panels offers a clear view of your components and RGB lighting. Efficient cable management features pre-installed cable routing channels for a clean build. Cooling support can fit up to 7 120mm fans or multiple radiators for liquid cooling. Sleek design: the modern design fits well in any environment, from gaming setups to office spaces. Easy installation, tool-less drive bays, and a well-thought-out layout make building simple. Number 2. Fractal Design Meshify C. The Fractal Design Meshify C stands out in the market for its focus on airflow. With a full mesh front panel, this mid-tower case provides exceptional ventilation, ensuring that hot air can escape quickly while fresh air flows in. Its compact yet spacious design allows for high-performance builds without sacrificing cooling efficiency. The interior layout is thoughtfully optimized, providing ample space for graphics cards and cooling solutions, making it a favorite among gamers and PC builders alike. One of the unique aspects of the Meshify C is its versatility. It supports various cooling configurations, including space for up to 7 fans and multiple radiator options. Additionally, the case comes with a side panel made of tempered glass, allowing you to showcase your hardware while maintaining a high level of airflow. The Fractal Design Meshify C is perfect for those who prioritize both performance and aesthetics. Key features: mesh front panel provides exceptional airflow and cooling efficiency. Compact design fits a variety of components without compromising on space. Versatile cooling options supports up to 7 fans and multiple radiators for liquid cooling. Tempered glass side panel showcases your components beautifully. Cable management, integrated solutions for a tidy internal layout. Number 3. Cooler Master Box Q300L. The Cooler Master Box Q300L is a compact, versatile case perfect for those looking for portability without sacrificing performance. Its unique design features a mesh front panel and top ventilation, allowing for excellent airflow, which is crucial for smaller builds. The case supports multiple cooling options, making it ideal for gamers who want to maximize performance in a limited space. The Q300L is designed with customization in mind. It features a modular design that allows users to reposition the I/O panel to fit their preferences. This flexibility, combined with a stylish aesthetic, makes it an appealing choice for gamers and professionals alike. The case is also lightweight, making it easy to transport to LAN parties or other events. With its affordability and robust features, the Masterbox Q300L is a fantastic entry-level option for any PC builder. Key features: compact size, ideal for limited spaces while providing room for high-performance components. Excellent airflow, mesh panels, and top ventilation promote efficient cooling. Modular design, reposition the I/O panel for customized setups. Versatile cooling solutions, supports multiple fan configurations and radiators. Lightweight construction, easy to transport for gaming events or LAN parties. Number 4. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is engineered specifically for high airflow, making it one of the top choices for gamers and PC enthusiasts. With its mesh front panel and a streamlined design, this case offers superior ventilation and cooling performance. The spacious interior accommodates large GPUs and multiple cooling options, making it a versatile choice for high-end builds. The 4000D Airflow is designed for easy installation and efficient cable management. It includes features like a rapid route cable management system and plenty of space for a tidy build. The tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your components, while the optimized airflow design ensures that your system remains cool even under heavy loads. This case is perfect for those who want performance without compromising on style. Key features: optimized airflow design, mesh front panel enhances cooling efficiency. Spacious interior, fits large components and multiple cooling solutions. Easy cable management, features a rapid route cable management system for a clean build. Tempered glass panel, showcases your components with style. User-friendly installation, designed for quick and easy setup. Number 5. Lian Li Langcool 2. The Lian Li Langcool 2 is a premium mid-tower case that emphasizes both aesthetics and airflow. Its dual-chamber design separates the power supply and storage from the main components, promoting better airflow and a cleaner look. The case features tempered glass side panels, allowing users to display their builds while ensuring optimal cooling. One of the standout features of the Langcool 2 is its customizable airflow options. With multiple fan mounting points and support for radiators, users can configure their cooling solution to their liking. The case is also designed with durability in mind, featuring high-quality aluminum and steel construction. For builders looking for a high-end case that doesn't compromise on performance or style, the Lian Li Langcool 2 is an excellent choice. Key features: dual-chamber design, separates power supply and storage for better airflow. High-quality materials, made from durable aluminum and steel for longevity. Customizable cooling options, supports various fan and radiator configurations. Tempered glass panels, allows for showcasing your components effectively. User-friendly features, designed for easy installation and maintenance. Conclusion: choosing the right PC case is crucial for optimal performance and aesthetics. Each of the cases discussed above provides excellent airflow and unique features tailored to different types of users. Whether you prioritize design, portability, or cooling efficiency, there is a perfect case for you among these top 5 selections. You can explore these options and more on Aliexpress to find the best deals and make your PC building experience enjoyable. Remember, a well-cooled PC not only performs better but also lasts longer, making your investment worthwhile.